now my explanation on the tides. For this explanation, you're going to have to use your imagination. And we're going to pretend that this here is planet Earth. And we're going to pretend that we're looking at it from the North Pole. So we're pretending that this is the North Pole and we're looking at it from above, from outer space. So the way that gravity works, this is going to be the water, because it kind of acts like a layer that surrounds the planet Earth. So now, this is our moon. What happens is the moon has a gravitational pull on the ocean, which is represented by this line here. So what happens is, it pulls the ocean like this, depending where it is. So say if it's here or here, it might be up here. For now, we'll say it's right here. And it's pulling the water towards itself. As you can see, with the Earth, it's left with having less water here and more water here. So when you look outside at your tides at the beach and the water's far away, the moon is most likely in this area here. However, when you look outside your window, this is assuming you have waterfront, which I don't, but if I did have waterfront property, I looked out the window and my water was right up close to my house, that would mean that I was probably at this part of the Earth, at that part of the day. However, as we know, the Earth rotates. So at certain parts of the day, you're going to have high tides, and other parts of the day, you're going to have low tides. Another factor is the sun. It also has a gravitational pull. So depending on where it is, depending on how the Earth is surrounding the sun, you're going to have battle between the sun and the moon, which can really kind of wonk up the tides. Sorry. So what happens is, sometimes the sun will be on the opposite side of the moon. So both these sides of the planet, this side here and this side here, will experience low tides. This side here and this side here will experience high tides. But during certain times of the year, the moon and the sun will line up, which means the pull will be extra strong, leaving really, really low tides on this portion of the planet and really high tides on this portion of the planet.